Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make strudel pastry, only way. Start with room temperature flour, water, oil, and a pinch of salt. Mix until smooth and elastic. Rest the dough covered for at least 30 minutes so gluten relaxes and stretching becomes easy. On a floured cloth, gently roll and stretch the dough until it is paper thin and almost translucent. Keep hands lightly oiled to prevent tearing and build confidence with slow, steady motion. Mix 2 cups all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon salt in a bowl, then add 1/2 cup lukewarm water and 2 tablespoons oil. Stir until a shaggy dough forms, then knead vigorously for about 8 minutes until elastic and smooth. Keep kneading on a lightly floured surface and adjust with tiny water splashes if the dough feels too dry. A well-kneaded dough gives the strudel its signature thinness and tear resistance. After resting, place dough on a large, lightly floured cloth and roll into a thin rectangle with a rolling pin. Use the backs of your hands to gently stretch the dough from the center outward until almost transparent, leaving a thicker border for folding. Brush with melted butter, add your filling evenly, and roll the strudel using the cloth to help lift and roll long, tight coils. Bake until golden and crisp, then cool slightly before slicing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.